Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. In today's video, we are going to continue our XSS series or cross-site scripting series. Particularly, we'll be looking at one of interesting vulnerabilities or web vulnerabilities which lies in phpMyAdmin. Older version of phpMyAdmin had a problem handling BBCode. BBCode, of course, to be honest, this is the first time I encounter this language. This is similar to HTML markup language. For example, we can use this sort of BBCode tag to generate HTML, similar. BBCode or bulletin board code is a lightweight markup language. Unfortunately, just as I said, older version of phpMyAdmin didn't do enough sanitization of users' input, and this can lead to XSS. But we cannot take typical JavaScript payload to perform such injection or attack. Instead, we need to utilize BBCode. Okay? You will know what I mean when we get there. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So now let's head over to Kali Linux VM. We can log in or access bWAPP first. And next, we need to choose the module, what we are going to do in this video. Yes, reflect phpMyAdmin. Okay, and phpMyAdmin, as you know, phpMyAdmin is one popular and important web application which we can use it to manage a database, MySQL database, because this is a GUI-based application. And this application can help us manage MySQL databases very effectively. So we do not need to memorize so many MySQL commands or statements. However, phpMyAdmin old version fails to validate BBCode tags in this page. So I think next we need to check this page first. Error? Oh, no. So the phpMyAdmin error php. Okay, and so this is the page. And actually, this page allow us to pass parameter like type, and we can input anything. Hello, JSON. So, what we input or users input is displayed on the page or is reflected on the page. So it's very doubtful, this application, or particularly this parameter has XS attack. However, we cannot just set use the normal or typical payload like script, and alert, JSON. It doesn't work. They will look at as a string, normal string. So we need to take advantage of BBCode and different types of BBCode tags we can use it to, for example, insert a malicious hyperlink. Okay, and I've already generated this, this BBCode tags, and this is the the hyperlink. So the first part is to create a link followed by the URL, and I have already generated this file in advance. Let me go to bbox and more JSON HTML, or not this directory, bWAPP JSON. Of course, here is for the purpose of demonstration. I have just generated a very simple HTML code or HTML file which contains one, the JavaScript command alert. Okay, in the real engagement, we want victim to access malicious website set up by the hacker or attackers. Okay, so now let me go back to the Linux. So here, we can continue the explanation of this BBCode. So followed by the URL, and then we use this enter and right square bracket to close the first part, and then you can put some text like a clear, click, or please click anything else, because in the real engagement, attacker wants or invites victim to click this area, and then will need the victim to access malicious website. And the last part will close this BBCode tag. Okay, so now let me copy, and so we can put up like a type is a hello. Even this allow to pass another parameter hello, sorry, not hello, error, for example like a hi. The message will be displayed on the page. So now we can, I want to put the link, hyperlink, right to the hi or anything. Okay, and we can paste in here and hit enter. So this is the link. We crafted. So now we can want the victim. We assume the victim will click this link, and then our JavaScript payload can be executed as we expected. So this means we have already successfully performed, the BBCode injection. Okay, because older version of phpMyAdmin didn't have the user input sanitized enough. Okay, with that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day. Peace.